Hi guys, this is Sarfraz from Aristotle Prep, and we are looking at question 56 from the OG 13 Critical Reasoning chapter. The stimulus says, even though most universities retain the royalties from faculty members' inventions, the faculty members retain the royalties from books and articles that they write. Okay, simple. So, the royalties from inventions goes to the university, and royalties from books and articles go to the faculty. Therefore, faculty members should retain the royalties from the educational computer software they develop. So, if you paraphrase the argument, all it says is faculty members should retain the royalties from computer software because faculty members retain the royalties from books and articles. That's all that the argument is saying. So then what is the assumption? Because there's no connection between computer software and books and articles. So the assumption has to be that there is some similarity or in some aspect in which books and computer software are similar. That is the reason why the royalties from software should also go to the faculty members and not to universities. So with that thought process, we will look at the question stem first and then go to the option. The question stem says, the conclusion above would be more reasonably drawn if which of the following were inserted into the argument as an additional premise. It's basically nothing but an assumption question. It's asking you additional evidence or additional premise is what? The assumption. Assumption is basically the unstated evidence, right? So it's an assumption question, and we will go through the option. There says, royalties from inventions are higher than royalties from educational software programs. Absolutely irrelevant. Faculty members are more likely to produce educational software programs than inventions. Again, it makes no difference to us what they produce, what they don't produce. All we have to do is figure out why should royalties from computer software go to faculty members. What's the connection between computer software and books and articles? C says inventions bring more prestige to universities. Absolutely nonsense. So not happening. I'm not even reading beyond that. D says, in the experience of most universities, educational software programs are more marketable than our books and articles. What is more marketable, more sellable, not our concern. So whatever E says, that is your answer. And what does E say? It says, in terms of the criteria used to award royalties, educational software programs are more nearly comparable to books and articles than to inventions. That's exactly the answer we had in mind, that there is some common link or similarity between software and books and articles. That is what E says. That is the assumption, because if you negate that, the argument immediately falls apart. If you negate E, which means there is no comparison or no similarity between software programs and books and articles, then why should royalty from software programs go to faculty members? So E is the answer to the question. It's a pretty easy question. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it a 2. Have a nice day.